viewers, you're welcome to Enson's Online Maths, and we have a question here on implicit differentiation. Please subscribe to my channel. If this is your first time, please subscribe. Thank you as you do so. And the question is, differentiate implicitly x square y plus xy square is equal to 0. So we're going to differentiate this implicit. Implicitly simply means we are differentiating x and y, not only one. And then to do that, we start with this. We keep x square constant. That is x square. We have it as constant. Then we differentiate y. To differentiate y, we have dy dx. Then plus, we now keep y constant. Then we differentiate x square. To differentiate x square, that means we have what? 2x raised to the power of 2 minus 1. Then dx dx. So this is for this. First of all, keep x square constant, differentiate y. Then plus, we also keep y constant, then we differentiate x square. Now, plus, coming to this now, we keep x constant, differentiate y, that's times 2y raised to 2 minus 1. Then dy dx. Then plus, for this now, we keep y square constant, then differentiate x, that's dx dx. Then it's equal to, on the right hand side of the equation, we have 0, which is more like a constant. Differential of constant is 0. So we have 0 here. Now, we have, from this, we have x square dy dx plus 2x, 2 minus 1 is 1. So that means same thing as what? 2x, then times this y as 2xy. Ds dx is 1. So it's the same thing as leaving it as 2xy. Then plus, here we have 2y, 2 minus 1 is 1. So that's same thing as 2y, then times x, that is 2xy. We will have dy dx here, dy dx. Then plus, the last one you have here is y squared times ds dx. Ds dx is 1. 1 times y squared is y squared. That means we have plus y squared, which is equal to 0. Now, from this now, we have two terms with dy dx, which is this and this. Then these two particular terms, they are without dy dx. So the terms without dy dx, we take them to the right hand side of the equation. And that means we'll be having x squared dy dx plus 2xy dy dx on the left. Then on the right now, we have this minus 2xy, because this is plus, when they cross the equal sign becomes minus. And likewise, this is plus y squared, when they cross the equal sign becomes minus y squared. So now, looking at the left hand side, there is a common factor which is dy dx. And to factor out the dy dx, by the time you factor out this dy dx, you'll be left with x squared plus 2xy in the bracket. That means we have bracket x squared plus 2xy close bracket dy dx. Then it's equal to, what we have here is minus 2xy minus y squared. So we can simply bring out the negative, then we write the two terms inside as positive. Now, what we have now is open bracket x squared plus 2xy dy dx is equal to minus bracket 2xy plus y squared close bracket. Now we are looking for this dy dx. In order to get our dy dx, we divide both sides by the term in the parentheses here, and this x squared plus 2xy. That means we have bracket x squared plus 2xy close bracket x squared plus 2xy close bracket. So this, we cancel this. We have our dy dx to be equal to minus open bracket 2xy plus y squared close bracket all over open bracket x squared plus 2xy. This is what we have there. Thank you. please subscribe to my channel.